Simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation. Number 4 is simultaneous equation. Solve the simultaneous equations. 3x plus y is equals to 17. And x plus 2y is equals to 4. That's how it reads. This is how we solve it. This is how we solve it. Remember, we have this 3x plus y is equals to 17 and x plus 2y is equals to 4. Okay? Which one are we going to use? Remember, we have two methods of solving the simultaneous equations. The elimination method and the substitute method. So, which one are we going to use right now? Let's use this one. The first one, the one for 3x. So we are going to make y the subject of the formula. That's what we are going to start with first. So to make y the subject of the formula, we take 17 the other side. We will take 3y the other side, 3x the other side, like with 17 here is equals to, like we take it this at the other side, y is equals to, this y is equals to 17 minus 3x. This is what you are going to use for substitution method, okay? So, since we are using this one for substitution method. So this is how we are going to do it. We have that one. We already solved y. We know about y. What are we going to use right now? On this two ones, let's test with this one. Let's test with this one. So as testing with that one, we will have something like this. We already got y. We will write x plus 2y is equals to 4. Writing it, remember we just got y here. We will have x plus 2 in brackets. Remember our y is this number, 17 minus 3x, which is equals to 4. Okay? Then it goes on. 2 times 17, anything outside the bracket, it multiply everything inside the bracket. Okay? 2 times 17, it will give us 34. 2 times negative 3x, it will give us negative 6x is equals to 4. So here we want to find a way out to make the x's to be together on one side and the numbers to be together on one side. So what we are going to do now is what are we going to move first? We are going to move the x, this one first, the other side, okay? It will depend on how you think smart about solving your equations so that you get them done. So 4, remember we move this one the other side because we don't want a negative number. We want to deal with negative numbers first so that all this thing could be clear and fast and be easy, you know. So we move, remember we move this one the other side, it will be, we move this one, negative 6x to the other side, to to the other side, it will give us positive 6x. Okay? After giving us positive 6x, then we still leave this 34 here. We take the x the other side too. Then we will have 4 plus 6x minus x. Okay? When it's like this, then we will have to bring this one the other side. 4 the other side. 34 minus 4. Then we will remain here with 6x minus x. Okay? From here, 34 minus 4, it will give us 30. Okay? Is equals to 6x minus x is equals to 5x. 5x. So for us to remove this 5 here, we will divide. We want to remain with x. We will divide with 5, both sides. Then 5 into 5, 1. Remember, 1x still is x. So it will give us 1x, which is still x, but we just write x. We normally write x. So 5 into 30, it will give us 6. So whether they swap or what is still fine. So x is equals to 6. This is how you find x. Now you already know what is x. X is 6, okay? We just figure out what is our x. Our x is 6. Since we have figured out that our x is 6, now we are going to figure out what is our y. Okay? This is how we do it or solve it. Y is equals to 17 minus 3x. We have used the formula that we just created here. So this is it here when we are solving for y. So we want to look for y. Since we already know what is x, this is how we are going to continue. Y is equals to 17 minus 3. Remember, we just found out what is x. X is 6. So this x, we put 6 here. Right now, we want to find out y. Y is equals to 17 remember, everything outside the bracket is multiplying everything inside the bracket. So a number just beside the bracket, it will multiply the number in the bracket. 3 times 6, it will give us negative 3 times 6, it will give us negative 18. Okay? After giving us negative 18, it continues. Y is equals to 17 minus 18 is equals to negative 1. Okay? This is our y. This is our y. That's it basically. This is the method of substitution method. We were substituting